Hey, I have one of those.
Can you tell a little more about what you might want for your birthday?
Can I get a puppy?
You want to get a dog?
Yeah, a cuddly fluffy one. And a Bratz movie star makeover Sasha. I'm just fucking with you, Daddy. Look, I love a Brinchford Model 42 butterfly.
Oh, child. You always knock me for a loop. You know what?
What?
We're going to get you two. Yeah? $1 song, $2 song. Check this out.
Oh, thank you, thank you! Wow. Who helps, Dad?